Jatend bengi maduong' e pacho ka CBK mano Kamau Thugge okoni Kenya nyaka med kwan mwandu mawuok e pacho ka kadhi e pinje maoko eka siling mar piny Kenya nyalo bedo motegno kopim kod dola ma Amerika. Kolese komiti mar od bura mamalo mang'e weche mag omenda e wi gima omiyo teko omenda ma pacho ka osebedo mana kadok piny kopim kod dola ma Amerika. Thugge okoni Kenya nyaka jotudruok mar ohala achiel kachiel e kinde kod pinje maoko mondo ywa joket mwandu mawuok e pinje mosedongore. Okoni kaka yor jolo weche mag omenda mathurka piny Kenya geno yudo milion 400 kowuok e aguch omenda mar IMF juma manyien kod milion machielo 70 kata 750 kowuok e bengi maduong' mar piny mangima dwe mar adek higa manyien mondo kata mabiro fungo ne jo Kenya pek mar gope mosebedogo.
I would also like to seek a clarification because you've stated here that the devaluation of our currencies because it was overvalued. I would like to know whether you have an idea of where it should stabilize or what rate should we expect it to stand on. And then lastly, you've stated that the money you're getting from IMF and all donors is to replace existing loans.
One thing which is bothering my mind is that you are not protecting Kenya shillings adequately because the money is decreasing in value all the time. In fact, I would say in recent times. What are you doing at least to help our currency? Because if you leave it totally for the market, I'm seeing that we are going to be in a very weak position as a country in terms of economy.
On the stock of the dollars, I think, Chair, we have looked at whether there's been a sudden increase in the volume of dollar deposits, and from what we have seen, there isn't a sudden increase in the flow of dollars into deposits. But certainly what has happened is that when we look at the stock of dollars, let's say at the beginning of the year, and the stock of dollars at the, let's say, end of September, there's definitely a substantial increase. But when we try to dig into it, you find that part of it is explained by the fact that the exchange rate has depreciated. So we have not seen that issue of wealthy holders of dollars or cartels in the banking system. But if anybody has that information, certainly we would want to look into it.